As Customs zeroes in on the legality of the luxury car imports, the Bureau of Internal Revenue is now probing the money trail, asking if the funds were legally sourced and if the right taxes were paid. Jin Kim returns with this report.
The directive is clear. The BIR has ordered a tax fraud audit on contractors involved in anomalous flood control projects, including the company linked to Curly and Sarah Discaya. Under Revenue Regulation 17/2024, all contractors are required to secure an updated tax clearance before they can receive final payment for government contracts. Failure to comply can result in immediate payment suspension and a tax lien on the contract amount, according to a tax expert.
It's not unusual for rich people to buy luxury cars, but it is unusual to buy a lot of luxury cars simply because of it's not. It's impractical to be paying so much taxes for all this. As we're talking about contractors who are enjoying or flaunting their lavish lifestyle. So if they're paying taxes, then there's no problem. But it has to come from BIR.
The key questions for the BIR was the money declared in the income tax return. What was the source of funds? If from government contracts, were these properly documented and subjected to 12% VAT and income tax? According to Abrea, contractors often cheat through the underdeclaration of income.
From being smuggled or legally imported, it becomes now a source for tax evasion if it results to more than 30%. And in this case, based on practice, and it's like an open secret, we know everyone is talking about it, that more than 30% is really paid as under the table or share of different parties.
Floating expenses include fake receipts or luxury purchases written off to shrink taxable income. In some cases, even luxury cars are declared as business-related expenses.
And the BIR can audit and investigate whether these are normal business expenses or necessary for their operations. I don't think they need 20 luxury cars to operate as a contractor or so on and so forth.
Abrea insists that lifestyle checks should be automatic for any individual or company engaging in government contracts.
Because it's part of the due diligence that the government should only be transacting with honest taxpayers or honest companies.
His recommendation: make the status of investigations publicly available on the BIR website.
Because if you recall the Farmani case, it's a huge case. We talk about billions during COVID. But after the investigation, no tax evasion case was filed. And we hope that they can revive it because, tax evasion doesn't die like that. They have 10 years to audit.
He also suggested to lift bank secrecy.
Because it's really hard to catch the culprit if we cannot access their bank accounts. In the Philippines, there's bank secrecy, which protects those who are hiding their ill-gotten wealth or these illegal transactions or income.
Abrea stressed the need to pursue not just private citizens, but also government contractors and political figures. He warned that failure to act decisively could undermine public trust and weaken tax collection. Jin Kim, Billionaire News Channel.